In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print barcode labels using the Shopify Help Center. This guide is perfect for those of you looking to streamline your inventory management and make your retail operations more efficient by utilizing the power of barcode labels. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open your Shopify dashboard and direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll want to click on the Apps section. Once you're in the Apps area, use the search function to look for an app called Retail Barcode Labels. This is a handy tool that Shopify offers, and it's designed specifically to help you create and print barcode labels for your products. Clicking on this app in your search results will take you to its dedicated page on the Shopify App Store. At this point, you'll see an option to install the app. Go ahead and click Install. This process is straightforward, and once you've installed it, the app will automatically open within your Shopify admin dashboard. This ease of access means you won't have to navigate through additional menus or repeatedly search for the app, saving you time and effort. Now that the app is ready to use, you'll be greeted with the main interface. Here, simply click on Get Started to initiate the barcode creation process. Following this, click on Create Barcodes. You'll find that this process is intuitive, allowing you to select how you'd like your barcode labels to appear. Next, you'll be prompted to select a label type for your barcode template. This is an important step as this will determine the size and style of your labels, so make sure to choose the one that best suits your needs and the dimensions of your products. When you're ready to print, look to the top right of the screen and click on Print Labels. This is where you'll finalize your choices. You'll then need to select the products you want to print labels for. You can do this by browsing through your inventory and choosing the specific items that require labeling. This feature provides you with the flexibility to print labels for just a single item or for a bulk selection of products, depending on what your business needs at that moment. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and printed barcode labels right from your Shopify dashboard. This process not only enhances your inventory management, but also adds a level of professionalism to your retail business that your customers will appreciate. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial informative and easy to follow.